Namaste, Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you effect of packaging material on water activity. Now, in principles of food preservation lab. First of all, what is water activity? Water activity is the partial vapor pressure of water in a substance divided by the standard state partial vapor pressure of the water. In the field of food science, the standard state is most common, often defined as the partial vapor pressure of pure water at the same temperature. Using this particular definition, pure distilled water has a water activity of exactly 1. As temperature increases, water activity typically increases, except in some products with crystalline salt or sugar. Higher water activity substances tend to support some microorganisms. Water migrates from areas of high water activity to areas of low water activity. For example, if honey has a water activity 0.6, is exposed to humid air, water activity 0.7. The honey absorbs water from the air, and if salami water activity is 0.87 is exposed to dry air, that the air has a water activity 0.8 0.5, the salami dries, which could preserve it or spoil the salami product. Packaging is the wrapping of the food product with some packaging material which prevent them from the external environment and remain the product intact, increases the shelf life of the food product by giving them isolated condition within the packaging material. So there is a relationship in between the water activity and the packaging material that will be find out with this experiment. For this we need some different types of packaging material, just to, for example, paper, LDPE, HDPE, high density polypropylene, low density polypropylene, tissue paper, tetra pak, laminates, etc. And some food product, for example, we can take a biscuit or chips, and for that we also require a water activity tester named as uh, chilled mirror water activity was determined by the chilled mirror technique using an Aqualab CX2 water activity meter, and then we will perform this experiment. After that, for this, the procedure is, first of all we need to weigh the food product and take the what initial water activity before packaging, and after that we will package the food products in the different packaging material and store it for 30 days. After every 10 days we can estimate or measure the water activity of the food product, and we can get a relationship in between a water activity and the packaging material. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.